which way should we go? Decided to come up to Coniston water and then go kayaking for today. I've not filmed and kayaked before, so this could go two ways really. It could either go really well and it'll look really good, or it could end up in the drink. Been kayaking for about 10 minutes now and my money is on the second option. It's proving pretty difficult. It seems like every part of this is going to be awkward now. If I want to film the journey, I've actually got to get out the kayak, put the cameras on the rocks, and then kayak back out. So if there's not much about where we're going today, that's the reason why.
Any oars?
You haven't got me. Oh dear. Turns out I can't do wildlife photography and kayak at the same time, but we changed our plans from going up that stream and now we're going to head across and go onto that island over there. Then I think we're going to go to the east side. Well, we're on the east side now, but we're going to go to the pier there as well. One slight change of plan. We're going to the pier first and then we're going to the island. Look at the size of these waves now. Right, we're regretting it now. Jumping in seemed like such a good idea in my head. Regretting it now though. I think now we're going to go onto that island. And it feels like it's getting darker now. So we might have to head back to the car at some point. But totally worth coming out. We're on the island now, and it looks like the sun's starting to go down. Probably got about 20-30 minutes before it goes dark. So, time for a wander around anyway. Now the light's a bit softer, everywhere's looking like really pretty. The only downside is flip-flops aren't the ideal exploring footwear. The little stream that we started at is right down there. And I think we parked about here. Yeah. Can just about see the car there. So, don't think it's going to get any more interesting than this now. So I'm going to end the vlog here. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I didn't actually get any pictures today, but I've got loads from this area, which are on my website, adamkappa.co.uk. I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. So check those out if you feel like it too, and see you next time.